The ECOWELL Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum P05 stands out as an all-in-one floor tool that vacuums, mops, and washes in a single pass, which makes everyday cleanups noticeably faster. Its cordless, self-propelled design and relatively lightweight make it easy to steer around furniture and carry between rooms or upstairs without feeling cumbersome. The dual-tank system keeps clean water and dirty water completely separate, so you are always washing hard floors with fresh solution instead of pushing grime around. A clear digital display on the handle shows remaining battery power, water levels, and basic alerts, so you can see what the machine needs at a glance while you clean. After you dock it, the automatic self-cleaning and air-drying cycle flushes the brush and internal path and then dries them, which helps control odors and reduces hands-on maintenance. It handles both hard floors and area rugs, picking up wet spills, pet hair, and everyday debris in one go, making it especially appealing for busy households that want to keep surfaces looking freshly cleaned with minimal effort.